how to get Aviator Predictor activation code. Now, there is no actual method that you will be doing for you to be able to find or locate a certain activation code for this software or app right here. All you have to do is just simply download the Aviator Predictor application via their official website or via the GitHub. So just pull up your preferred web browser that you want to use, and then on your search bar, just simply type in Aviator Predictor voucher code. Just simply search it in, and you will be seeing a lot of results that is going to be visible on your end. So all you have to do is just to click on a certain link which will be redirecting you to GitHub, and this is going to be the GitHub interface. So if you take a time to read with this a specific message right here for you to be able to have an activation code is to either visit their official website or just simply downloading the APK for the direct app itself. So again, just download the application, and if you are a new user to this app right here, you will be given out an activation code or a one-time activation code for you to be able to enjoy and take advantage with the app. So that's it. That's how you find the activation code for Aviator Predictor app.